Can you use exchange instead of return feature on SHEIN? Well, the answer depends. Exchange is only available in the selected countries and for only eligible items. So if you want to check it first, you want to simply open the SHEIN app, and once you're inside the SHEIN app, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on this Me option at the bottom right of your screen and tap on My Orders over here. By doing so, you'll be able to see all kinds of completed orders over here. On All Orders, here you'll be able to find your all orders. You want to simply select the completed order, and inside that order feature, you'll be able to see an option called Return Item. And if the exchange option is available as well, you want to simply select the exchange offer. You want to simply select the exchange option, choose your replacement size or color of the item, and submit the request and follow the return instructions. And if exchange isn't shown, you'll need to return the item and place a new order of your own size and color. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.